In this video, I'm going to show you a trade that's happening over and over again in the market. It's a simple buy and sell of bond futures, but it just keeps presenting and my traders continue to profit. Hey there guys, my name is Jonathan Rose. I've been trading futures for over 20 years. In this video, I'm going to show you an excellent trade that keeps presenting in the market. It's a simple strategy using outright futures contracts and real-time implied volatility. So if you're looking for an easy way to trade futures, this video's for you. So let's just stay on the same chart. And I can take you back to January 18th. That's when the bond started to rally, got very close, got right to its implied bands, pushed its way through, and they got absolutely just shellacked. So that was the first trade going back January 18th, January 19th, kept on going through the implied bands, and then finally came off. Not much to do during this week. Here, Ed wakes up to a nice surprise. Right now, there's a ton of bond volatility in the market. Trades right up to the implied bands, hung out there, waking up because bonds are a global market. Hey, you wake up to a $2,500 winner per one lot. These trades just presented. Bonds trading right down to the implied move. Yesterday, hey, maybe it's time to buy that ZN. Maybe we should consider buying a fight. And you can see today, bonds starting to work and the curve is starting to steepen. Learn to trade the yield curve, especially now that the Fed is moving interest rates and putting volatility into interest rate futures. My name is Jonathan Rose, owner, Masters in Trading.